guys, now we are on the third segment of a physical health supplements, which is a natural and herbal supplement for physical health. So the first one we are going to talk about there is probiotics. I know you guys will be wondering, like, why did I need a probiotic for my daily physical health support as a supplement? So these beneficial bacteria support a healthy digestive system and have been linked to improve immune systems function and mood by the gut to brain axis. So can you now think the most out for people that are experiencing difficulty in digestive system? Probiotics is a must have for you. So that's what I'm going to talk about the probiotics. For more about it, you can slide into my DM. Thank you guys.